amount, okay, and also changing the backup location, okay. Yeah, let's suppose your backup location on a standby is different. I'll just change the backup location path to backup underscore stb2. Just for your understanding, okay. Now on this standby, I use different path for data files and different path for backup as well. So let's see what step need to be do for that, okay. Okay, let's move on. Login on rman target one. Let's cross check backup. Okay, database is not mounted, so first we have to restore the control file, okay. The control file name, but so we have to restore the standby control file, okay. It's rman target this restore standby control file, okay. We can also do this, don't write standby, restore control file, okay, from path backup, okay, backup underscore stb2, okay. Let me re-verify the path stb2, yes, stb2, and this is standby control file. If I basically this standby control file, this is standby control file. If I don't write standby control file, restore standby control file, so it will restore the control file for the standby, because this control file is created from the primary for the standby, okay. So don't no need to mention the restore standby word, okay, got it. So let's store this, okay. Now control file has been restored. Now let's mount the database, alter database, mount, database has been mount. Now just execute cross check backup, okay. Show that backup has been expired because I've changed the location of backup, okay. Let's execute delete expired backup, yes. Now let's catalog again. Catalog start with slash backup slash backup slash backup underscore stb2. Okay. Yes. Now create the admin restore script. Okay. vi admin underscore restore load as such. Just copy my admin script, admin restore script. Just copy this admin restore script. I think okay, this one. Remove this line. Okay. Now create the set new name script from this query. This dba set line size, set page size. Okay, let's execute this command. Okay, just copy, paste. Okay, let's copy. Script, paste over there. Okay, save it. Let's verify the database directory we had created. Okay, this is stb2. Okay, so we have to change this directory in set new name command. Okay, pri. Okay, the shortcut in this one, percent s slash, the old value is pri and new value is stb1 slash g. And just do again, percent s, pri is in capital, stb1 g. Okay, now has been changed all data files Let's save it. So we verify it again. So in this example, we create database in different folder. Okay. Now let's execute it. No hub sh rmain restore and execute this command. Okay, execute. Okay, let's go on folder logs tail minus f rmain restore. Now restoration has been started. You see logs files, database log, data files is creating on this folder stb1. Oh, just change stb1, stb2. Okay, for the data file I use stb1, so no worry, you can use it. So my backup is restoring. In the previous standby we use the same path just like primary. In the second standby we use a different path. Okay, let's wait for the restoration completion, then we will move on the recovery side. My standby 1 restoration has been completed, archive file also applied. So but we just need to define some parameters and some setting need to be perform some settings. Now archive backup also being restored. Now backup has been restored on standby 2 side as well. Okay, so both side backup has been restored. So second steps is we need to copy the password file of my production to both standby machine. Just move on the Oracle. This is my primary site. Okay, so go on dollar Oracle underscore home. Okay, and dbs. That is my password file. Okay. I have to copy this password file to another machine on my standby machine. Now the Aura PW file already exists. Let's suppose in your production environment you don't have the Aura PW file. So let me create this file again. Okay. So just create a folder old, move this aura pwd file in old folder. Okay, and use aura pw. Okay, file is equals to aura pw tri. This is my set, and the first 5 character is mandatory, and last 3 characters my set. Okay, then password for sys is suppose Oracle. Okay, it's asking for maintain the complexity for the sys user. Okay, let me use 3, 2, 1. Okay, also asking for special character. Okay, okay, so I use aura is, it's my file. Okay, hash 5, use this character. Okay, and use command force equals to y. Okay, so file has been created. So let me check file aura pwpri has created. Okay, you can also you create this file without force parameter. Let me show you again. Okay, old